Talofa, now hopefully you can see my fingers and a bit of my beard because I can't really put my face down, my stomach's in the way. But I'm just jamming and going through some of the old songs, some on hymn songs, and this is one of my favorites. I can't even remember the name of it, so hopefully you enjoy it. Here it goes. Yeah.